What's up guys, I everything here. And so after what is happening with COVID-19 and all the other things, Apple is very likely to shift 20 to 50% or anywhere between 20 to 50% of the manufacturing to India for a few reasons, but two main reasons. So the main highlight is going to be to open up Apple stores in India. And the second highlight is to avoid dependency on China. US is trying to avoid contact with China, so Apple has already thought of doing this. Now I own this iPhone SE in gold color, which was made in India. Now this is a very old iPhone and they haven't made the new iPhones, but they had actually attempted to make the iPhone XR a few months ago. Now we have seen many boxes coming up with the iPhone XR saying assembled in India, but I haven't seen anyone reporting that they have got one which was assembled in India. But there's something which isn't good for few Apple users in India. Now many people in India buy older iPhone flagships such as the iPhone 7, 8 or 10, as these are officially sold in authorized sellers and non-authorized sellers as well. But if Apple stores are launched or opened up in India, then these users will lose the ability to buy these older smartphones. Only the iPhones which are displayed in the iPhone section on the Apple website will be there in the Apple store, which is good for us but bad for the old iPhone customers. They will still get the iPhone SE 2 or the iPhone SE Generation 2, but many won't consider that. But there is indeed one advantage to this. The unauthorized sellers and repairers will be shut down by Apple here in India. Now many people also think that they might get good bargains on the iPhones with these unauthorized sellers, unlike with the Apple stores. But there is something what I would like to share, and maybe only I have seen or maybe others have seen as well. But now I would not like to mention in which shops I have seen this happening, but there are few shops I've seen. Now many of these shops which are unauthorized sellers are mainly Android shops, so they only can afford to keep Android phones on the display or show, so you can actually see them where they're kept. But that's not the case with the iPhones. They can't afford to keep the iPhones on show. So I'd seen someone asking them about the iPhone X in June 2019, and they bought in a new box, opened it up, they booted it up, and they didn't log in or they didn't actually go into the interface, but they were just onto the language selection or hello screen. They removed the plastic which comes on the screen. They also opened up the box, and the fact which blew me away was they had stickers which they put it back onto there, and they sealed the iPhone X box back again like new, and they sold it to they probably sold it to another customer which came next. And actually the same time my brother also purchased the iPhone XR, and I did see something while actually editing the video. So the iPhone XR which he had some bubbles on the wrap around the phone, which is weird, and Apple does not do that. And I feel like they had opened that box previously, and many people just see it, and if they don't like it or they get some other smartphone, then that box is kept back sealed and given to someone else. Now no one wants open box iPhone, right, for the price of new. And I totally hate the fact that they're giving these as new smartphones to others. As buying this premium product, I would like to always be the first one to use my own iPhone, not someone who I don't even know. And this iPhone won't even be kept for a display. It would be given to the next customer who comes in for an iPhone X or the model which was opened up. This is something no one wants, and I totally hate, and I feel bad for those who have got scammed like this. And I am sure to call this like a scam. So while Apple stores are in India and these sellers are closed down, then this will be something which we should look forward to. Also, these unauthorized resellers do not provide repairs, or they don't even provide Apple Care services, as they are not Apple. And that's something which I wanted to tell you. And thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing. Stay safe. Peace.